Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer all data from Android phone to iOS or iPhone. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Android phone, and if you want to transfer all your data from your Android phone to iOS or iPhone, you have to download and install this application on both of your phone, on your Android phone and your iPhone as well. And after you have installed this application on both of your phone, you can just open it. You have to open it on your iPhone and your Android phone as well. Okay, and we just need to click on continue and then click on agree. And then once you use this application, we have to activate the location permission. We have to give the location access to this application. Then click on continue, and then I'm just going to open my permission, then click on location, and I'm going to allow only while using the app. Okay, and now the permission has been changed, and we have to turn on our Wi-Fi as well. I'm just going to turn it on, and then after we turn on our Wi-Fi, we can use this application to transfer our data. And here we have to find our code. You have to open your iOS, and then you will get the code right there. Just click on continue. Then after you got the code, you can enter the one-time code right here. And I'm just going to open my iOS phone, guys. Just wait for a moment. Okay, and here I have opened the Move to iOS application on my iOS. Then we have to choose the From Android option, and we can click on Continue. Then we'll get the code on our iOS or iPhone. Okay guys, this is the code. We have to enter this code on our Android phone. And after you have entered this code on your Android phone, you will get this option. Then you just need to click on Continue. Alright guys, and that's how we can transfer data from Android phone to iPhone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.